Hey there, so how to install FreeSpace Social app on iPhone. So just tap get in the App Store and then it should start downloading after you confirm with your Touch ID or any other way. So the size is 103 megabytes. And this app is basically a social media, social fusion for free thinkers, athletes and entrepreneurs. So this is kind of a niche social network / community. There are a lot of apps like this where you don't have just like Facebook or specific Facebook group, but you even have like a special app, special social media for some niche communities. So let's try to open it up. And here is the app. And then you just need to sign up here. I'll tell about it in the next videos.